Hi, this is Jeff from Middlesex Detector Sales. Probably the number one question I get asked by new customers: what machine should I buy? What is the best value for my money? Something that's easy to use, and something that works well. Well, first off, the machine you should be looking at is what is most affordable for your budget. We'd all like to have the top of the line, super duper machine, all the bells and whistles. But really, to get started, you need just the basics, something easy, very small learning curve, just the basic controls, because that will do the job and you'll still find coins and jewelry. Now also, it's good to get something with the newest technology. There's lots of used machines online. A lot of used machines are quite good, but some are quite old. The technology has really grown in leaps and bounds as far as depth and discrimination. So it's something to keep in mind. Sometimes a bargain isn't a bargain at all. But there are some good used machines on the market. Another thing about bargain machines, I'd stick to some name brands. There's other machines you'll see on eBay and Craigslist and Kijiji for sale. Unknown brands, offshore, which is fine, but a lot of times these are untested, and how they really work and the integrity of the electronics is really questionable. So try and stick to name brands. That'll give you the best bang for your buck. The main controls on a metal detector that you really have to worry about when you're getting started is the sensitivity control and discrimination. Sensitivity is your gain or your depth. You know, it's like the gas pedal on your car. You could run it at full tilt, but trying to control the machine would be difficult. You get lots of noises and pops and atmospheric noises, interference. So you want to run the machine so it's fairly quiet and easy to handle. The other control is discrimination. This sets up what the machine will see and what it will ignore. One of your main controls, actually. So you want to set it up so in the beginning you just want to find some coins, get used to the machine, get used to the sounds, different tones, and get used to the meter if it has one. We'll talk about the meter another time as far as getting started on a new machine. Another question that comes up a lot is depth. How deep will they go? Really, you're going to find 90% of your finds are going to be in the top 4 to 5 inches of soil, no matter where you are, no matter what you're looking for. So really, depth isn't that much of an issue, although we'd all like to find interesting treasures at great depths. Once you dig down a couple of feet for a coin, you probably won't want to do it again because it's quite a bit of work and it can be quite messy depending where you are. So really what you want a machine that's going to be able to hit the 4 or 5 or 6 inch mark easily, which most machines do. But we'll be able to tell the operator what is a good target and what is a bad target. You want to be able to distinguish when to dig and when not to dig, because that's what makes metal detecting fun. That's when you can bend down, dig up a coin or a piece of jewelry and not have to worry about keep going down and digging up a nail or a pull tab or a piece of wire. That is what sets a good machine apart from a bad one. And the last thing I'd like to touch on is support. After the sale, if you have any questions, please call us or email us. We're here 7 days a week. If I don't get back to you right away, I will get back to you. If I know I might be out metal detecting myself, which I do quite a bit. So I'll get back in and I'll get back to you either way. And if you have any problems or just questions or just set up things you want to know, advice, then definitely I'm here for that. And we'll help you out and get you started because it's a great hobby and it's lots of fun. This is Jeff Peacock from Middlesex Detector Sales. Thanks.